Test 4, Module 1, Question 12. Okay. The following text adapted from Jack London's 1903 novel The Call of the Wild. على فكرة The Call of the Wild ده موفي يا ولاد موجود. يعني I recommend ان انتوا تشوفوه. One of the best movies. يعني I recommend ان انتوا تشوفوه بتاع هاريسون فورد حد مشهور قوي. Okay. Buck is a sled dog. So Buck is a dog living with Joan Thornton in Yukon, Canada. So we have the setting here. We know Buck. Buck is a dog. And his owner اللي هو جون ثورنتون فين في كندا Yukon, Canada. Okay, Thornton alone held Buck. So what's held? So held like had a deep connection with Buck. So Buck only loved Thornton. The rest of mankind was nothing. Other humans didn't matter to Buck. Buck كان بيحب ثورنتون بس. أي حد تاني يعني he didn't care about anyone else. Okay. Chance travelers like random travelers. مسافرين الرandom يعني. Might praise or pet him يعني. Okay, but he was cold under it all. And from a too demonstrative man, he wouldn't get up and walk away. يعني ايه هنا عايز يقول لي chance travelers اللي هو random passerbys أو random مسافرين الرandom, they would show affection to him. يعني if strangers were nice to him, okay, يعني Buck ignored them. Okay, even لو حد demonstrative. يعني ايه demonstrative man؟ يعني حد overly emotion, حد showy أوي. He would walk away. Okay, when Thornton's partners Hans and Pete arrived on the long-expected raft, Buck refused to notice them till he learned they were close to Thornton. فبيقول هنا ايه he refused to notice, he ignored them. Thornton had two partners شركائه Hans and Pete. So when they came, Buck also didn't notice them. يعني كل ده examples and he cared about Thornton only. He didn't care about anyone else. طيب after that he tolerated them in a passive sort of way. يعني after he knew ان هم they were close to Thornton, tolerated them. يعني ايه tolerated؟ يعني put up, allowed them, سمح لهم. Okay, in a passive way يعني without feelings. Okay, انتوا يعني تقدروا تتعاملوا معايا بس without feelings. أنا مش هديكوا feelings. Accepting favors from them as though he favored them by accepting. يعني إيه؟ يعني he accepted favoring. يعني they tried to help him. Okay, and he favored them. He acted like he was doing a favor. إزاي؟ أنا هسمح لكم أصلا تتعاملوا معايا. فهو this is the favor I'm doing to Hans and Pete. Okay, يعني it's not that difficult يعني. So which choice best state the main idea? Okay, يلا بينا نشوف المين idea. Okay, question A. Buck has become less social since he began living with Thornton. Less social يعني أقل اجتماعيا. I think يعني this is a wrong answer. Okay, the passage doesn't say anything about in the Buck changed after meeting أو after meeting Thornton. Never mentioned. Irrelevant answer. Okay, طيب B. Buck mistrusts humans. Okay, and does his best to avoid them. Okay, يعني I think برضو mistrust, it was not mentioned, and doing his best to avoid them. All we know that he loves his owner only, and he doesn't care about anyone else. Whether he mistrusts people, yes, he wanted to avoid people, but he didn't mention in how he mistrusts. This part is not mentioned. C. Buck has been especially well liked by most of Thornton's friends. Actually, this is يعني too extreme. And we don't know غير اتنين بس وقالوا partners اللي هو Hans and Pete. Okay, so we don't know others. We don't know how others feel about Buck. We only know two. اتنين بس اللي نعرف. Okay. طيب D. Buck holds Thornton in high regard. Yes. معليه قوي يعني انت بالنسبه له احسن واحد. More than any person. Yes, more than any person. I think the passage is all about the relation between Buck the dog and Thornton his owner in comparison to others like passengers like Hans and Pete. فواضحة قوي ان هو ايه it's D definitely يعني. Okay. Next question.